Hello, welcome back to second session of set methods. We have covered a few methods, and let us continue remaining set methods without further ado. First, we will see discard method. The discard method removes the specified item from the set. Now you might be thinking why we go for discard method when we have remove method already. But please note that this method is different from the remove method. Because the remove method will raise an error if the specified item does not exist, and the discard method will not. Let you see an example. Have you watched Friends series? You can never forget their names. So let us make a set using Friends names. Here I am taking a set called Friends and storing a few names of Friends series, such as Rachel, Ross, Chandler, Monica, Joey, and Mimi. In the Friends series we have nobody named Mimi. But I accidentally added that name too. Now if I want to remove this Mimi, then I can go for discard method. For which write down Friends and followed by that mention the discard method and inside parentheses write down the item need to be removed. Here the element is Mimi. Now printing out Friends set will give us a new set. And in where name Mimi has been removed from the set. This is how discard method is used. Moving on, let us learn intersection method. We have already seen intersection method in previous session, though those who are new to my channel, this is for you. The intersection method returns a set that contains the similarity between two or more sets. Which means the returned set contains only items that exist in both sets, or in all sets if the comparison is done with more than two sets. Let us see an example. Here I am taking two sets where first set contains cast of Friends series and second set contains cast of another TV show called The Morning Show. In order to simplify show name, I am taking second set name as Morning. So here our first set Friends contains items such as Jennifer, Lisa, David, and Matthew. And our second set, Morning, has items Reese, Billy, Juliana, and Jennifer. And now we need to find the starring common to these two shows, go for intersection method. For which declare a variable called common. You may declare any variable. Then write down our first set, Friends, and followed by that mention intersection method and inside parentheses write down second set Morning. Now printing out common will give us a set with an item Jennifer, which is common to both sets. This is how intersection method, and as a shortcut, we can use the AND operator instead, see example. Here let us take the same set and instead of intersection need to use AND operator between Friends and Morning. And now printing out common will give us the same set as previous. Moving on, let us apply all these with more than two sets. Here, let us take one more set. For which here, I am taking one more TV show, which is 30 Rock. For our convenience, I am taking 30 Rock as Rock. So my Rock set consists of a few starring, such as Dean, Kristen, Tina, Jack, and Jennifer. Now if we need to know the starring who acted in all these three TV shows, for which I use intersection method. In order to do that, write down first set here, Friends, and mention intersection method and then write down other two sets inside parentheses with commas. Now printing out common will give us commonly occurred starring. This is how we can use intersection method for more than two items. We can provide as many as sets inside parentheses separated by commas. We can use and symbol instead of intersection. Join 3 sets here: friends, morning, and rock with the and operator. Now printing out common will give us same output as before. Here our new set contains Jennifer, who is common starring in these 3 shows. Let us take same sets for illustrating intersection update method. So here we have 2 shows: Friends and the morning show, which is called morning for easiness. So let us conclude that the intersection update method removes the items that is not present in both sets or in all sets if the comparison is done between more than 2 sets. The intersection update method is different from the intersection method because the intersection method returns a new set without the unwanted items, and the intersection update method removes the unwanted items from the original set. Back to our example, let us try updating friends set with intersection result. For which write down friends and mention intersection update method, and inside parentheses write the other set morning. Here our current friends set has updated with common items. Here Jennifer is common to both sets. As a shortcut, instead of intersection update method, you can use the and equals operator between these 2 sets. Now print out current friends set, we will get the same output as before. Now let us apply intersection method on more than 2 items. So here I am taking one more TV series named 30 Rock. And for easiness we name our third set as Rock. In Rock we have a few casts such as Tina, Jane, Jack, Katrina, and Jennifer. Now in order to do intersection update, let us write friends set and followed by that mention intersection update, and inside parentheses write down other 2 sets separated by comma. Now printing out current friends set will give us a set of common starring of these TV shows. Here it is Jennifer, who is common to these sets. For which write down our first set, that is friends, and write down and equals operator and mention second set, and write and operator and mention third set. Now printing out current friends set will give you a new updated set which only contains common items. Here it's Jennifer. Here note that we are using and equals operator after our first set friends. This is because we need to assign all intersection values to the friends set. So this is how intersection update method works. Let us wind up today's session. We will be having one more session for set methods. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you felt this video informative and useful, then please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you with final session on sets. Happy programming.